Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use remote start on your Buick Encore. To begin, ensure your vehicle is securely locked and parked in a safe, open area. This feature allows you to precondition your car's interior, making it comfortable before you even step inside. It's a convenient way to prepare for your drive, whether it's a hot summer day or a cold winter morning. Let's get started with the key fob method. Using your key fob is a straightforward way to remote start your Encore. First, press the lock button on your key fob. Then, within 3 seconds, press and hold the remote start button, which often has a circular arrow symbol, for about 4 seconds. Your vehicle's turn signals will flash to confirm it is started. The engine will typically run for 10 to 15 minutes before automatically shutting off. For even greater convenience, you can use the My Buick mobile app. After downloading and logging into the app on your smartphone, ensure your vehicle is linked. Navigate to the remote start option within the app's interface. Press the start button and your vehicle will turn on. This method offers virtually unlimited range, as long as your phone has a cellular data connection. Keep a few important tips in mind for safe and effective remote starting. Always ensure your vehicle is in park and has sufficient fuel. Never use remote start in an enclosed garage or unventilated area due to exhaust fumes. The key fob's range is usually up to 200 feet, but the My Buick app offers extended range. Remember, the vehicle will run for a set duration before turning off automatically.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.